Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make a very interesting video, and this is something I'm doing very first time. So today I'm going to show you a winter fair in Kolkata. So this is basically in north, it is in Bagwihati. So there is so I thought that I should take you all to that fair so that you can see how fair is going on right now by taking all precautions. So without any further talk, let's chalo mere saath dekho how the fair is going on, winter fair in Kolkata. So this is how the fair look from outside. And now I'm going to cross the road and enter in the fair. And there is also function going within the fair. So this is the first shop. So this is actually a boutique shop. So they have very good quality sarees. They have pure silk sarees, they have cotton sarees and jute sarees, and they are very good quality, and they have a variety of sarees. As I do not wear sari, so I have just shown you. So I'm not going to buy any sari, but really very good quality sarees they have. And now I'm going to the second shop. So this shop have a very western kurtis and western dresses, and they also have some blouses, and the variety of blouses. They have frill blouses and jacket blouses. So those who love to wear sari, they will definitely love this shop. They can wear different type of blouses, and they have a flat range of 400, and they are going to alter you according to your size. This is one of the frill blouses with the boat neck. And now I'm going to the second shop. This is also another boutique sari shop. So they have also very handloom. They have handloom saris, and they have organza saris, and they have pure silk saris and cotton saris. And they are also good quality sarees starting from 3000 to 5000 and 6000. And now I'm going to another shop. This is a jewelry shop which is known as a Kohinoor shop. So in this shop they have jewelries, and they're very few, and they're not that much attractive, so I didn't stay here for long. And this is another shop with the handloom saris and boys kurtas and different saris they have, and they are really amazing. So those who love saris, they definitely will love this fair. And this is, they have some tate saris, cotton saris, which is really amazing. And now I have came to a jewelry shop, and this shop is really very interesting because they have handmade jewelries, and they have handmade earrings, which is quite attractive and beautiful, and they're also very affordable. It's starting from 80 to 100. So they are really affordable, and they're quite attractive. And they have also a full set handmade jewelry. So those who are love wear saris, they can take this type of handmade jewelries. It will look very good with the handloom saris. And from here I am going to purchase this earring. So this is a earring that really catch my eye because it will go with my western dress and also with my Indian kurtis, and the price is 85. So that is also quite affordable. So that so this earring I am going to take. And the best thing here that the shopkeepers, they are also maintaining safe distance, and they are always wearing their mask, which is a good thing. and if you buy anything from their shop, then they will give you a free mask. And now I have came to another shop. So this is actually plastic shops. They have keep plastic buckets, they have plastic containers, all type of things they have. And this is a bag shop. They have a small bags, handbags, and wallet. They have wallets also, but they are not that good quality, so I haven't purchased anything from here. And this is a crockery set. So this is a crockery shop. They have cup sets, and they have also loose cups. So if you want to buy any loose cups from them, you can definitely. So this shop also have very interesting cups, and they're starting from 80, 85. So for our home, if you want to buy cup sets, then definitely you can buy from this shop. And this is a shop. They have kept wooden materials, like they have wooden ashtrays, they have wooden belna, and they also having wooden wall hangings. And there are some jewelry box which is quite attractive, so you can keep your small jewelry in these jewelry boxes. So this is a wooden belna that I have purchased for my daughter. So she loved to play with these kitchen sets, so that's why I purchased this wooden belna. So it will stay for a long time, it will not broke. And I think its cost is 20 rupees only. And they are also keeping some wooden jewelry boxes, which is quite attractive, and their prices is 30, 15, 25, and 30 rupees according to the sizes. And they are also having that wooden wall art, wall hangings. So if anyone want to buy wooden wall hangings, they can buy from here. So this is how the jewelry box look like. So this is a wooden tribe set. And now this is a artificial flower shop. So they have few artificial flowers which you can keep in your drawing rooms and dining rooms. And now this is a definitely a fair without a food stall. It's not possible. So they have some few food stall also. And this is a jewelry shop. They have some few chains for boys, and then there is also a few things for babies, like for kids to play, like water bubbles. They have paints and a few fingering also. These are all clutches. And this is a water bubble that I have purchased for my daughter, as she loved to play with these water bubbles. So this this shop is for multi-purpose. They give a few things for kids, like for paints and these water bubbles, and few things for girls, like they have bangles, clutches, and few things for boys. They have some chains. This is another shop. This is again a jewelry shop. They have few bangles, chains, and chokers. This is a kids zone, kids play area. So again, coming to the same shop, this is a scale, pen. This is a cute pen. And there are some beautiful chokers, so choker lovers will definitely love this shop because there are different type of chokers and different varieties and colors they have. So those who love jewelries, they will love this shop, and these are quite affordable. They're starting from 150. So definitely who love to wear chokers, they can buy chokers from here. And they also have a very variety of jewelries, earrings, and some phone cases with teddies. So definitely can buy. And this is a kid shop, so they have beautiful dolls and plastic toys and plastic kid set, baby set, and plastic teddy set. So definitely for kids also they have kept variety of things which definitely kids will love to buy. So from this shop I have purchased these clutches, and for my babies I have also purchased some beautiful toys. And I'm looking some beautiful clips and hair bands for my daughter. So I have purchased this hair band for my daughter. I have purchased this toy also for my baby, as she is very interested in this type of toys. And this is another food stall. So as I have said, a fair without a food stall is just not possible. And there are some beautiful dessert shops. These are, so they have some jalebis and some gajas, malpuas, and kotkoti. So in Bengali we say kotkoti. I don't know what we say it in English. So they are really yummy, and I have purchased all those desserts for my house, for my family. And now I'm coming to another shop. So this is again a kid zone, so where they have all plastic doctor set, kitchen set, and teddy set, baby set. So definitely for kids there are many things to purchase, and there is a chart set. So those who Velpuri lovers and chart lovers definitely can have this chart from here. And this is a wooden shop, so they have kept some wooden flower vases, wooden bangle set, and they have also wooden pen set and wooden containers. And this is also a place where they have kept wooden chairs, wooden sofas. And these stores kept archers, so they have variety of pickles. So those who love pickle lovers, they can take variety of pickles from this shop. So as you can see, they have arm pickles, they have many type of pickles. And this is another crockery shop, so they again selling cup sets and glass sets. And if you want to buy loose cups and glasses, definitely you can buy loose cups and glasses also from here, and they're quite affordable also. And this is a clay shop, so they have a variety of clay idols, clay toys. So those who want to decorate their houses, they definitely can buy it from here. And this is a kids book zone, so I have purchased few books for my kids, so that she can so that she can read some books from here. So I purchased this birds book. So they have a variety of birds and their bird's name is given. So this is just for fun purpose, so that she can know few birds name also. And this is another shop, so they have kept some Christmas caps and Christmas costumes. And now we are going to a cake shop, so they are making some handmade cakes and they are really very yummy. So yeah, I have purchased some handmade cakes from this shop. They are very tasty. So for Christmas, definitely we can buy some cakes. And this is another shop, so this is another dessert shop, so they are making some pithe, patishapta and puli. So Bengali people will definitely understand. So they have given a live counter of pithe, so those who want to have pithes, they can have it from here. So this is a winter dessert for Bengalis. So this is a very yummy and they are serving very hot. So definitely those who love pithe, puli and patishapta, they can purchase it from here. And this is another shop, they are selling ghee, so they are selling organic ghees and giving 20% discount. So those who want to buy ghee and definitely can buy it from here. And now we are going to another shop, so this is a shop, they are they are actually cooking Maggie. So they have given a live counter of Maggie. They are making vegetable Maggie and cheese Maggie. So in winters, definitely we love to have Maggies. So definitely those who want to have Maggie, they can have some Maggie from there. So this is another shop, they are selling some pakoras and chop. So they are selling chicken pakoda, chicken chop. So those who want to have these fries, they can have these fries. And now we are heading towards a vegetable shop, so they are selling some vegetables also. And last not the least, this is the one with the glass painting, which you can decorate your drawing rooms and balconies with these beautiful glass paintings and giving some light in it. So this is how the fair ends. Hope you have loved this video, you have enjoyed this video a lot. If you do, then please hit the like button and also mention in the comment sections, do you want to see more this type of videos, and definitely I'm going to make more this type of videos. And if you do, then if you like this video, then please share with your friends and families, and please subscribe to my channel because it means a lot to me. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye.